Alright, so I drilled these holes to match this plate right here through the wooden floor. I'm going to have to trim this plate off along here because I want to put the edge trim back in between the carpet and the hardwood. I'll just put me a hole right there. I can shoot a screw in at an angle to mount this, and plus the two over there. These two over here will still be used, but I gotta keep it over this way because I can't go too far. I can't go too far that way. I'll hit one of the underground storage deals. So, yeah. Anyway, it's gonna come out through here, and we'll see what it looks like under here. If I can get some light. Yeah, it's pretty dark. Anyway, I'll get back to you.